Amazing for the landlords, devastating for tenants. We see a lot of tenants being misplaced because of high rents. My opinion on the market is Pensacola's market is very robust. The market reports we get every month from the Pensacola Association of Realtors just came out. Our median home sales price is up 3% over a year ago. Median home sales price now in Pensacola was $325K. It was $317K a year ago. The number of sales is down a little bit. The number of homes sold last month were about 1,000. The year before was about 1,100. So maybe a 10% decline in the number of homes being sold, but the median sales prices are up 3% over last year. Days on market's changed a little bit. A year ago, it took an average of 18 days to sell a home. Now it takes 45. I've been doing this for 30 years. I remember the periods of time where it took 5 or 6 months to sell a house. So selling a house in 45 days is still a tremendously fast turnaround time. The number of homes for sale has picked up by about 14%, which is very helpful because in the past 2 years, we've had very little inventory to show buyers. That's been a big problem, not enough inventory for the buyers. But now we're up to 2,400 homes for sale in Pensacola. A year ago this month, that number was 2,100. So our number of units to show you has gone up about 14%. And by the way, I remember the days where we had 8,000 houses in the Pensacola market. And to be a balanced market, where it's a buyer-seller balanced market, we would need 6,000 houses to be listed in Pensacola right now. And we're only at 2,400. It's still a seller's market, but buyers are able to get concessions and prices are not increasing like they were at the rapid pace over the past 2 years. In Pensacola now, there are a couple of apartment complexes being built. They're going to provide hundreds of units. That's going to soften things a little bit. But I don't know in the foreseeable future that I ever see a time where we have 6,000 houses active in the Pensacola market. I just don't see it. And rents, by the way, I would have to put the exact statistic, guys, but I think it's something like rents have doubled in the past 4 years, which is amazing for the landlords, devastating for tenants. We see a lot of tenants being misplaced because of high rents. I don't think rents are going to go down at all. I will tell you that rents are not increasing at the level they were increasing in the past 3 or 4 years. And we manage hundreds of rental properties, so we're in that part of the business. And we own lots of property as landlords ourselves. We're seeing the higher end rents, those rents $2,500 and above, soften somewhat, actually quite a bit probably. Whereas a year ago, I might have a $3,000 rental that would have gone very quickly. Today, that $3,000 rental will probably not rent for more than $2,700, and it may take 2 or 3 months to place a tenant in it. But I do not think rents are going to back up or decline. It is going up, but it's going up at a much slower pace. I don't have the statistic in front of me, but I don't think there's been any decline. The expensive houses, I think the rents have declined maybe 10%. Say $2,500 and above rental over a year ago, 2 years ago, I think there's been a decline in rental value of maybe 10%. But in the affordable rental range, especially those 2,000 under, they have not gone down. We're seeing people double up, if you will, single people renting places with another single person. We've seen small families moving with small families for some of our larger rentals. There's a lot of that going on where people are sharing the cost of housing because it's so expensive right now. Unfortunately, you don't have a whole lot of options as a tenant, but you just have to do the best you can. Do a lot of shopping, try to find a different rental that's more affordable for you.